welcome to Crewe. This is a quick video tour of this new approved used Leon in our stock. This is the white Leon FR Tech 2 litre TDI and it's a 6-speed DSG automatic. Comes in the non-metallic paint with just solid white and comes with the full LED headlights as well as the daytime running lights. We've also got the exclusive front and rear FR bumpers. And we've got the standard alloy wheels as well, which are 17 inch. We've got the LED strip indicator on the side mirror and the rear windows are tinted in privacy glass. That is the back of the vehicle, again with the FR detailing. And in the back we've got a nice large boot space with access to putting the back seats down as well. In the back we've got the 3 seats in black cloth interior with the part leather inserts, a nice lovely amount of legroom and electric window switches. In the front we've got the dashboard display just showing here. You can adjust what you view as well just by using the little dial. Got the electric window switches and also the black leather FR flat base sport steering wheel with the red trim. The gear selector and handbrake also, both in black leather with the red trim. This vehicle also comes with this DAB radio. Also available is full link and navigation and a few other different options there. So just select one and it is touchscreen as well. Again, the front seats do coordinate with the back seats in the black cloth interior with the part leather inserts. Also the red trim, which is part of the FR detailing pack. Very nice and sporty inside, lots of useful features come as standard. If you're interested in this vehicle, please feel free to pop down to Crewe to take a look at it yourself. Maybe take it for a test drive or give us a call on 01270 864 430. Thanks for watching.